My name is Marie. We come from Canada, from the French-speaking part, Quebec. He's Hugo. We've gotten married this year and we decided to take the working holiday visa for a honeymoon before we start our careers. I was in Germany, he was in Canada, separated for 6 months, so I said next time we go together. So I love the food here.
I like anything that has udon.
Yeah,
seriously.
Udon. He always wants udon.
Yeah.
Udon. And sometimes we eat at 7-Eleven because it's pretty cheap and it's very good.
And there's also one nearby.
Yeah, but there's a lot of 7-Elevens nearby.
Yeah, we shopped around really. I think we spent something like 2 weeks looking for an apartment or share houses that we could live in. And this place in particular was actually suggested to us online.
I found a lot of apartments were already furnished. They had only a single bed.
It's a bit small. It's a bit small for 2 people.
Someone suggested apartment here because the beds are double beds. One thing I really liked about Oakhouse is that we can pay in advance. So I was able to pay like 3 months in advance and not worry for 3 months.
Yeah, we get forgetful. Yeah. Nowadays, we're studying Japanese. I don't think we really have any kind of plan.
Yeah, we're pretty open to possibilities.
We're here on an adventure.